In this video, we're going to be talking about the new Galaxy A23 and its leaked specifications. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have some news on the Galaxy A23, its release date, specifications, and everything you guys need to know about this device. Getting straight into this, it says one of the most anticipated Galaxy A series phones, the Galaxy A23 5G, is likely to be introduced after the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and those phones are actually being released at Samsung Unpacked. I believe it's August 10th, and it should say right here, but it says despite the fact that we don't actually have an official release date for the budget-friendly 5G smartphone, we finally know what it looks like thanks to a new leak. Although the name suggests that it's positioned at the bottom of the Galaxy A tier in terms of specs, the Galaxy A23 5G is quite the opposite. It's not just the 5G connectivity that makes it appealing for the masses, but other specs leaked recently too. So these are some pretty decent specifications. I was looking at these earlier, and it's pretty impressive. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, but I think these are pretty decent. It says, for example, the Galaxy A23 5G is supposed to bores a huge 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display and a quad camera setup. So those cameras are going to be 55, 2, and 2 megapixels. Not to mention the phone's main camera features OIS, which is optical image stabilization, which is quite unusual. So it's nice that we get that feature, really cool. It looks like we have a decent camera setup on this device, and looking back at the Galaxy A53 and its improvements in the Full HD 60 FPS feature, the stabilization, the software that was fixed on that device as well, this looks like a promising device. And it also says, most importantly, the Galaxy A23 5G will feature 25-watt fast charging support and more than a decent Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, coupled with 4, 6, and 8 gigabytes of RAM and either 64 or 128 gigabytes of internal memory. So that's pretty impressive for the specifications, seeing that this is going to be probably a sub $300 phone, but we're going to look more into this. It says the images that surfaced today confirm the Galaxy A23 5G will be available in at least 4 colors. So we're going to have black, blue, pink gold, and white. It says we know for sure that the phone will first be launched in Europe and that it will cost €300, but it's quite possible that some of the best US carriers might pick this one up too. So hopefully Metro by T-Mobile, Cricket Wireless, AT&T, Boost Mobile, all those companies pick it up. This is looking like a pretty decent phone if they actually do, and I'm sure they're going to have some great port-in deals at these companies if this actually happens. Also, I'd love to see this device unlocked at Amazon. That's another thing I would like to see. Because of where we're at in the economy right now and inflation, I know a lot more people are going to the budget and mid-range areas, so it's great that they're releasing these types of phones. So I think these are going to get more popular as the years progress, but excited about this one. We have some pretty good storage options, some pretty good RAM options. Specifications look good. The Snapdragon 695 processor looks decent inside this device. Really can't say much. Probably going to be around $299. I can't see this being more than the A53 because that device is, I guess, supposed to be a better device, and that device is only $49 more it looks than this device. I don't know the strength between the euro and the dollar right now, but you guys can let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have that info. Also, if there's any opinions you guys want to leave on these devices, what do you think? Leave it in the comment section down below. Is this device too high in price? Do the specifications suck? Let me know. But this has been Safan from TechRight. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Peace out, Tech Gang.